So in our previous videos we solved our first layer and then we solved our second layer, and in this video we'll solve our third upper layer. That is, we have a yellow center here. We'll solve this face fully yellow. To do that we'll have three cases. So the first step is we'll have a shape called L shaped or horizontal or line shaped. So in my case I have a L. So we'll have L, or we'll have a horizontal like this, or we'll just have one yellow side, something like that. So when we have these cases, we'll follow this algorithm FUR, that algorithm. So I have yellow, I'll keep this in my front and I will follow this algorithm. I'll hope you're able to see the algorithm. FUR U dash R dash F dash. So when I do that, I will get one shape. So we have three cases. This shape will match one of the three cases. So I'll change this shape so that I'll be able to show you the next case. So in this case we have a horizontal. We got a horizontal. So we'll follow the same algorithm, FUR R dash R F dash. So we got L again. So we'll follow the algorithm unless we get our second case. Now we got our second case, that is cross. So this is a step 2. So we got a cross, or we should get a fish like this. So when we get these two shapes, we'll have to follow this algorithm. So since I have a cross here, I will follow an algorithm called RU R dash UR U2 R dash. So when I do that, I get a shape like fish. So I'll bring this corner to our left side, and then this shape is been matched with this. This is called a fish shape. So when I get this, I will keep this in my front and I will follow this algorithm. I mean, this yellow should be on the top, and I will follow the same algorithm, RU R dash UR U2 R dash. So when I do that, my yellow layer will be solved. And we have a third case too. That is, our two corner pieces will not be matched. I'll show you that case. So this is the third case. If you get a shape like this, you'll have to follow this algorithm. That is, our two corners only will be mismatched. So when we have like that, we'll keep our unmatched corner piece in our right side, and we'll follow this algorithm. R dash D dash, D is down, D dash R D. So we'll have to do that unless our corner piece will be matched. So R dash D dash R D. So we see that our corner piece has been matched. So what we'll do is we will hold this cube still, and we'll bring this corner piece to this side. So unmatched corner piece has been brought to this side, and we'll follow the same algorithm, R dash D dash R D, until the cube will be solved. So when we do that, both the corners will be correctly placed in its correct position, and the remaining pieces will not be mismatched too. So that was our third upper layer, and we have solved this. So final step is to solve the upper layer corner pieces and edge pieces. So we'll see this in our next video. Till then, stay tuned. Show your support by subscribing to this channel. Happy cubing.